Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I just hate being cold during the fall and winter months. And something that I've found to be so helpful is this heated jacket from HENNCHEE. I've actually just started wearing it at home instead of turning the heat on when it gets a little bit chilly. It's been so nice to have for those early mornings or late nights when you're in the car. You can just turn your jacket on and you get warm really fast, which I think is awesome. This has 3 different settings. I love that because I can really gauge how I'm feeling and be able to adjust the temperature based on that. It comes with its own power bank, which I really loved because I've been able to charge my phone with it too, and it lasts for quite a long time. So I can wear this jacket all day. About 8 hours on the coolest setting, and the battery lasts for the whole time. I always wonder with heated garments if you can really wash them in the washing machine and dry them in the dryer because there's all of those wires running through it. And I found that this did great. I put it in my washing machine on cold, just a regular cycle, and it operated just fine with that and going through my dryer on the low setting. This is a really nice, thick, jersey kind of knit fabric that is super soft and fleecy on the inside. And I really like that it has a longer length because you can pull it down far enough past the waist on your skirt or jeans so that you're not getting any kind of a cold draft. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I got the size small. It's a little large on me, which I prefer because then I can wear sweaters underneath it and just lots of layers, which is always important in the fall or winter time. This HENNCHEE jacket is so nice to have, not just for outdoor use, but also indoors when you just want to warm up or in your car. It's a really wonderful jacket, and that's my point of view.